Hi guys, it's Darren for Darren's Tech Tutorials. This video I'm going to show you how to install XAMPP on Windows 11. Really handy tool for Apache, MySQL, PHP, great for apps like WordPress and Moodle for testing them. So I just have Windows open here, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just search for XAMPP. And we can see we'll go to the website. I'm going to click on the download here. And I'm going to get the one with, let's just say PHP 8.2. So let me just download that. Awesome if it doesn't start. So let's click here to click the download. And we'll click to download the installer here. Cool, so download will begin shortly. So let me just pause this while it's downloading. Okay, great. It looks like this is now done. So I'm going to go to my Windows Explorer. I'm going to go to my downloads, and I can see I have XAMPP now here. So I'm going to right click it and click Run as Administrator. I'm just going to click Yes to this. Okay, so I'm just getting this warning that says not to install it in C program files. That's okay. So I'm going to click Next now. I want all these. I particularly want MySQL, and I want a few of the other important pieces for me. And we have Apache, which is what we want. I'm going to put it C XAMPP. That's perfect. I'm going to say English. That's fine. And then we're going to click Next. Okay, so this will begin to install the first now. We're making sure to get all the packages we want installed with it. So let's give it another minute here now, and we'll loop back here in a minute. Okay, great. It looks like this is done. It says, do you want to start the control panel now? So I'm going to click yes, I do, and click finish. So hopefully this will open the support panel for us now. So here we are. We have the XAMPP, so I can say it's MySQL. I want to start that, and we should, yeah, let me allow that. Um, so let's see, it's maybe due to a blocked port. So let's have a look and see if we can fix this. Weird, I just re-clicked it and it seems like it's good. It could be I'm on a virtual machine. But let's have a look. So I want to click the shell here. And let me just see. I want to type in my SQL minus U root minus P, hit return there. So we can see we have MariaDB running MySQL, which is great. And you can obviously have your other bits and pieces. You can start Apache here. So hopefully that will start, and I'll click allow there. It might just be, I wonder, this is why it took a minute. And if you then go, you can go to where we've installed it. So this PC, go C drive, XAMPP, and you can see you have your htdocs folders. You can put your index.html there. So if we go to localhost now, hopefully we see the Apache. Yeah, so there you go. Yeah, really, really good tool, really useful for testing stuff, really, really good on Windows. So yeah, any questions, just comment below, and if I can help, I certainly will, and thank you for watching.